place it over here properly until here. Like this you have to place it properly, but unfortunately it was going inside. We need to be carefully, use it properly. After placing it, you need to connect this one to connect this one to electricity, and you have to increase and decrease the knob by using. If you want too much aroma, just increase the height. If you don't want minimum flavor, if you are using night side, just use low or mid flame. This is the way you can use a aroma electrical diffuser. I hope this is the best review of this electrical. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and save it, like, share, and don't forget to comment your expense after purchasing this and I'm going to show you how this Gautam Buddha electrical diffuser looks after heating after connecting the wire and heating it. When we have glowing lamp, in top of that we have a water over here. This is the water. We add few drops of essential oils here. After heating, water was not heated yet. It will take few moments to heat the water. After heating the water, entire room will get aroma and entire room is filled with a flavor. This is to show you the view of night side. That's why I'm making this video.